Ecash coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now once again I'm present with another update video of Ecash coin, XEC coin. What's going on in Ecash, what's the price changes occur, and guys, we are also talking about the technical analysis of Ecash coin. That guys, we are trying to detect the next move of Ecash coin. Is in the future the price of Ecash will pump or dump? We discuss in this video, so keep watching this video is going to be very special for all of you. And guys, also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos, guys. Here guys, if we talk about the right now price of Ecash XEC coin, so 0.0002145 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Ecash coin. And furthermore, you can see a negative 2.55% changes for the XEC coin, guys. The changes is going very negative, guys. But you know what, guys, I believe that these changes is temporary, guys. You know what, Ecash coin is very best coin. You know what, from starts I found Ecash coin positive. But you know what, that's not possible for every coin that only the price pump. Yeah, sometime dump, sometime pump. But is as you can see, you guys, that's why I'm telling you guys that it is a temporary false, guys. And after some passage of time, again Ecash coin will start pumping, guys, because here you can see trading volume is positive and increasing. Till this last 24 hours, 7% people are more investing in the Ecash coin. So obviously, guys, if people investing in the Ecash coin, that's mean that supply increase, and if the supply increase, so the price will pump, guys. So now people again investing, so the price will become positive, guys. That's why my personal recommendation for all of you is to hold, never decide to sit, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel.